Hi Foppers and welcome back to The Farmer Was Replaced, the farmer automatic coding game, whatever. So in this episode we're gonna be getting a lot of unlocks, I think. I think we want to just start out with getting drone speed maybe. Sounds fun. Get that. And we do want functions now. We need a lot of hay for that, so we might as well work our way towards getting that. Let's see, hay. Was it 200, I think? Let's see. That says 200, yeah, and we do have the carrots already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate all of the all of the things into their own functions, which will make it cleaner. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you're gonna get it once we get there. Just restructure our code here a little bit, I guess. Let's see, we can unlock functions. Do we wanna get the grass upgrade first, maybe? We'll increase the yield of grass, make it faster in the future. It's probably the optimal thing to do. Let's get to 300 there, actually. And run the code, of course. Okay. And we're only producing hay at the moment, which is good. Let's see, we're almost at 300. Let's just let him speed through this. Cool. And then we can unlock functions. So what's cool about that is that we can separate a little bit. Wait, did we get the grass? We did not. Okay. Well, we can just add a new window here, and we can call this. While he works, we can work a little bit. So let's do get hay. Like let's just call it hay. Honestly, that's good enough. And let's do def harvest hay. It will take no parameters as of now, and we can just let's see. We can do this Control C and Control V. And what we can do here now is we can also just unlock grass. Cool. And let's get that to 450 actually. Just while we wait. What we can do here is we can do remove this code and we can do harvest hay there. Like so. And that should do the exact same thing. And it doesn't really clean up that much for what is it called? For the hay, since that was only one line anyway. But you can see that like carrots here, that's gonna get cleaner. And as we get more advanced stuff, we can move it out and get it cleaner, just a cleaner main function, more readable. So that's cool. We do that for sure. Let's see, we want another one here. Let's call that wood. So wood there. We go in here and we do def harvest for wood. Okay. And we can just copy all of this. There we go. Just clean up this a little bit. There we go. Should be able to like dock that there. Yeah. So now these windows are like connected. And we can just go here and we can do harvest wood. There we go. And that's a little bit clearer. Let's unlock another grass upgrade there. 675 we can get there. Let's do 675 for desired hay. Keep on working there. And let's add another window, which is carrot. And there we can just copy all of this. Okay. Yeah, of course that's gonna give us some errors. We wanna. I forgot the most important part, I guess. Want this to be there. Want this to be there. Want plant to be there. Just want to get this all one lower there, and we can do def harvest carrot. Take no arguments for now. And we should be able to just say harvest carrot. There we go. And as you can see, this is looking a little bit cleaner, I think. Okay, so let's try to just get wood to like 60 just to see that all of this works. And it does plant us wood. Hasn't harvested any yet. That's fine. It does. Oh, we put 600. Okay. It does get wood. We know hay works. And the carrot seems to work. So that's cool. I guess I do want to add one thing here, which is if get ground is equal to grounds.soil, plant entities bush, can harvest. So this just checks if it can harvest, and if it can't harvest, it just skips. So we do get like things that are just stuck here on the wrong ground type. We do want to avoid that. Can we check? Let's see. Can we just do else? If it cannot harvest, then we do. Let's see. Can we check what crop is on the? What is the method to see can like what is standing on? See under him. See. That should be an info maybe, and see unlock. So we want to do census, I think. Get entity type, get ground type, returns type of entity or ground. Get entity type is equal to. Okay, so we want to do get entity type is equal to entities dot. I guess we can do if not and get ground type is equal to grounds dot, and we're talking soil here. Then we can just do till. There we go. That should prevent him from let's see. Can we just do this maybe to make it cleaner? Okay, we cannot. How do you do that? I guess we can try this. Does that fix this ground? It does. Okay. It just produces hay in those situations, but we shouldn't have more than one of those at a time. Let's go back here and let's do desired hay 675. That's fine. We can upgrade grass gain, which is good. We have that quite high now. Let's see. We want to unlock watering now. We can just instantly do that. Utilities. Pumpkins. Oh, that's still quite expensive. Let's do watering. Make them grow faster. Okay, plants grow faster when they are watered. The ground has a water level ranging from 0 to 1. Get water returns to water level on the ground it's over. Only on tilled soil. Can lose water. Can purchase empty water tanks. Tanks fill up automatically. Cool. Use item over any ground to empty a tank and water the ground. Okay, so we wanna see if it's on a tilled soil. So before we do anything, I guess, before we get the carrots, I think. So let's just keep that on the bottom here for now. Before we check the carrot, we want to check for water. So this is tilled. Yeah, we can do that here. So We will always have tilled ground on this section now. We want to do if was it get water is less than 1, then we want to start. I guess we can just do uh, water ground, boom boom. So that doesn't do anything for now. We do want to add another window here, which is just, honestly, we also do want one more, which is just backup main, which is just this. Okay, we do that, we do that. We don't really care about if they would just harvest hay. We do want to keep the else here. And we just do that here. Okay, backup main. Can we just run that now? I think we can. So that should always just produce us hay. Oh, he doesn't move. I forgot to add a movement for him. Control C. And go into this. Do Control V there, I guess. See. There, maybe. Yeah, so now he just goes and collects hay while we work. So, like, something will happen when we work. That's good. Then we can keep working. And we want this to be water. See. Water. And the first thing we want to do is we already know that the ground isn't watered, so we wanna check if we have a water tank. And I think so. Empty tank is probably something different than water tank. I'm gonna do if. Well, first we wanna define a function actually. Water ground. No parameters as of now. That's the right name, right? Yeah, it is. Then we wanna do if get items. Like, what was it again? You wanna check what items he has, right? Do num items, yeah. Num items. Num items dot, and then it's items dot, see, water tank. Yeah. And that number is equal to 0. Then we can call this, which is trade for water tank. And we want to trade for water. Let's see. Items actually dot water tank, I guess. Trade empty tank, okay. I might just want to trade for an empty tank anyways, actually. Come to think of it. Oh, my keyboard's messed up. 2 seconds. Okay. We want to trade for an empty water tank if he has 0 water tanks. Yeah, we want to just trade for that anyways, actually. We don't care about how many water tanks he has. Because we trade for empty tank and not full tank. That costs 5 wood. Which we should always just have. We trade for empty water tank and then we do if. We want to do an if items or num items actually. Items dot water tank is greater than or equal to 1. Then we can use items dot water tank. There we go. So this should always trade for empty tank, and I do guess maybe we can actually just Control C, Control V, and we wanna, let's see, if we have less than 4, and we do wanna do while instead of if here, because one water tank can hold 0.25 water. Only the one water. Let's do 5 actually, since it's probably gonna lose some since this takes time to progress. And then we can do while is greater than or equal to 1, and also uh, get water is less than 1, and then we'll use water tank. So that we'll use water tanks as long as we have water tanks and the water level is less than 1. Oh, this was the wrong way around. Let's try this. So yeah, now we should start getting water tanks and stuff. We have so much grass. Let's use it for another grass upgrade here, and another one, and another one. Okay, so we just get more grass if we're ever on a backup. Let's try going to the normal now. Normal main. Cell, no functions return one. Did you mean to call the function with the call operator? Get water. If get water, okay. Obviously. Can try this again now. And yeah. See, it does not happen after planting a carrot, which is wrong. We do wanna do it after planting a carrot, I guess. It allows us to water the tile we're on. So that's good. Then you can run main again. See, do we water anything now? We don't seem to be doing that, so something's probably wrong in the water section here. Water tank. Ah, we want to do less than or equal to 5 actually. That makes sense. And yeah, we get an empty tank there. Cool. So we need more wood, I guess. That's why it's collecting wood, because we have a 60 wood minimum. We can see that we get empty tanks and they will refill and become water tanks eventually. So that's cool. We could trade for more water tanks at once. I would probably be optimal, so we have one water tank now. And we do water the ground a little bit. Yeah, we're just gonna get more and more water tanks actually. That's fine. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we have watering now and it works fine. I don't know if it's necessarily optimal, but it will be eventually. And we can do multi-trade. That doesn't sound that good, does it? We can trade for multiple water tanks. Maybe we do that. Trees, unlock trees. We can just get that. We do that actually. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give 5 wood each. Like bushes, they can be planted on grass or soil. Trees like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. The growing time is double for each tree that is on a tile directly to the north, east, west, or south of it. So if you plant trees on every time, they will take 16 times longer to grow. So I guess we do want to get like kind of a checkerboard pattern here. And we can do that by, let's see, if this is 0, 0, we want one there. This is 0, 1, we do not want one. This is 0, 2, we want one there. Like the sum of the x and y has to be divisible by 2, I guess, an even number, right? Because this is 1, 1, 0, 2. So this is 0, that's 2, that's 2. This would be, let's see, 3, 1, that's 4. Yeah, so we want to do that. That should be quite easy. So we can add some trees there now. And we do want to get that into the wood category. Let's see, we can start running backup main instead right now, and then we can change up the wood a little bit. And we do that here by saying uh, if get pos x plus get pos y. Uh, can we do modulo here? 2 is equal to 0. Then we can do. It doesn't really matter which one we do here, so we can just do enter this bush. And I use the space here, I want to use a tab actually. Else. And again, we want to use that. Are these actually on the right tab? Yeah, they seem to be. Plant entities dot tree. Okay, I think that should work. We don't need anything for the tree, right? Didn't say so. So let's try. Say we want 150 wood here. Then we can run the normal main. We want to do this, obviously. And also just to make sure that this is the right thing it's checking for, let's add a parenthesis around the plus here. We do that, and then should be growing some wood. Yeah, those are trees. And does it make the checkerboard pattern? It does. So that seems to be working. They should never be adjacent to each other. It's mathematically impossible, and this will also work when we expand the world. The trees do go quite slowly, that's fine. It can grow on grass or soil. I don't know the difference. See, it can grow on soil. Do we need to till them? Just try. Let's try turf. Let's just see, because I was under the impression that this could only work on grass. It can work on turf too. That's interesting. That means we can water the bushes. Ah, I didn't know that. So this is more optimal then. Okay. And I guess we do want to add the water ground here then, actually. So if water is less than, we can go here and we can do that there. That means we'll be watering the trees as well, make them grow faster, I guess. And the bushes. That's incredible. Well, that's a lot of good progress. The code is much more readable now. I think we have water and we have trees, and they seem to be working as intended. We just want to keep increasing like our water count here, I guess. What else we want to unlock now? Can we get more grass? Oh, we can. Let's do that. Speed, increase the speed of the drone. We can do that actually. Yeah. We just need 100 wood here. Currently stuck harvesting hay. We'll just let him work his way up, I guess. Almost as fast as to just change it, so. Yeah. We do trade for more and more barrels as time goes on. And he will just trade for barrels if you can see that he doesn't have enough water. So that's good. That's very good. So we're gonna get to like a point where we have enough water for the entire field. And then when we expand, he's gonna see that he doesn't have enough water anymore because he uses more. So he's gonna trade for more. So we're always gonna have like the perfect amount of water empty tanks and water tanks. Once he gets to that point, that's good. I like that. What do you get? Yeah, so like he uses all of the wood he's gathering to trade for water tanks since it's growing on that. So this is like a great way of grinding water tanks, I guess. It's fine. It's not quite what I intended, but it's good. Like, we get more and more wood now, and more tanks. So we're gonna get to that point. I like that. Yeah. But anyways, that's all the time we have for this episode, actually. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day, and goodbye!